Good day. I'm about to discuss to you installing WordPress locally. Okay, so why do we need to install our WordPress locally or to your local computer? So first things first, let's say you don't want your code or your application itself to be displayed live or onto production, and then you are into development of that specific application. So this is the process you need to follow. First, you need to install WordPress on your local. Okay, so please bear with me and listen very carefully on how to install successfully, properly WordPress on your local. Our first step is to go to Bitnami and download WordPress for Windows if you are using Windows. So if you're using Linux or anything else, you choose the best category for your requirement. So on Google, we just type bitnami.com. Okay, and then this is the page. We just go down here and then choose download for Windows. So we just choose a sign in. So I'm gonna sign in with my Google. You just accept the terms of service and there, then accept. Okay, so we just wait for the process to finish. Now we're done with the downloading of WordPress. We're gonna install it by clicking the WordPress.exe. Click yes. Click English if your English if your language is English. You just click continue with installation. Click next. Click next. So we are using WordPress 5.3.2-2. So I'm gonna type my real name, my email, my login user, my password, click next. So I'll be using port 81 for WordPress. So blog name, I just uh, name it as for my first name and then the blog. So just click next, click next, click next. We just wait for the process to finish. Now we are done installing our WordPress on our local. You just simply click finish. So as you can see, I'm using 127.0.0.1 and then I'm using 81 as my port. So this tells us that we have successfully installed WordPress on our local. Now we're gonna access our WordPress by clicking this link, access WordPress. Here is our first WordPress page. So a while ago I created a blog, Just Dale blog here, there. So here it's working already. So here is our first page, hello world, WordPress. Okay, so thank you and hope you learned something about WordPress. So um, tune in with our next video all about WordPress. Thank you and good day.